Welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. My name is Ruchi and today I am going to show you how to revive a dying money plant branch. So here I have this money plant branch. Money plant is also known as pothos. So this branch, as you can see, it has no leaves. Both the ends are kind of dead, and even in the middle, it's kind of broken. So obviously it's not going to grow like this. If you try to put it in the soil, it will probably not work. So if you come closer here, this branch has all these nodes. So these nodes are the places from where the roots grow or the leaves grow. So what we'll do is that we'll make cuttings out of this branch and make sure that every cutting has at least 2 to 3 nodes. So we start from this side. I think this was the top portion. So we'll start from this side, and because it's already kind of shriveled here, so we'll just cut it below this node and cut out the top portion and put it here in the water. Then go to the next one. So 1, 2, 3, so at least 3 nodes. So the bottom portion should go in the water, and I'll show you why in a minute. Here is an example cutting. Now if you look at it, at this node, this is the root, this thick thing, that is a root, and this is the leaf. So on a node, the root is always below the node, below the junction, and the leaf is above the junction. This is how it is supposed to be. So this means this portion has to be the root and this is the top portion. So now we have all these cuttings, we have put them in the water. Now keep this pot inside your home where it gets some filtered light, and you will see that in 2 to 3 weeks the roots will start to grow. Keep changing the water every week or so that the roots don't rot, and also the nutrients of the water are replenished, because stalks must have used the nutrients of the water. Now one more thing you have to do is that you should put some pebbles in it so that these stalks don't move, because roots don't like too much of movement. So now they won't move. So we'll put it like this inside the house. I have another pot here in which I had done the same thing, and if you look closely at this, you can see that the roots have formed, and from the second node you can see that the leaf has started to come out. So that's the reason, if you have at least 2 nodes in a cutting, the bottom one, which is in the water, will grow the root, and from the top the leaves can start to come. And here I made a mistake. You see, in this one there was only 1 node, and you see that the root and the leaf, they are all both coming from the same node. Now the problem with this is that when I actually put it in the soil, if the root goes in the soil, the leaf will also go in the soil, so which is not good. So that's the reason I was saying that you have to cut it in such a way that each cutting has at least 2 to 3 nodes. So it's been 2 weeks that we planted these money plant cuttings in the water. So I want to show you, how they look like after 2 weeks. So I'll just dump the water in the tank in here, take out the roots, and as you can see, most of them have developed roots. This one doesn't have, this one doesn't have, this, this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them have roots and 4 of them don't have roots. But almost all of them are developing these leaves. Can you see the leaf here? You know this? So the leaves are coming out. So I leave them in water and slowly they'll develop the roots. So now at this point, you can leave them in water and they will develop leaves and they'll just look nice on your table or whatever. Or you can plant them in soil, up to you, whatever you want to do. Like I had planted some of the cuttings, a few weeks ago in soil, and it's doing fine, and slowly it will grow and it will become a cascading vine. I hope this helps you in reviving any almost dead money plant branches that you may have around you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye bye.